Welcome to an advanced Python topic, decorators. Decorators are a key feature used heavily in web frameworks and library code. Simply put, a decorator is a function that takes another function as input, adds some functionality to it, and returns the augmented function, all without explicitly modifying the original function's code. 1. What is a decorator? A decorator is essentially a wrapper. Think of it like adding icing to a cake. The cake, the original function, remains fundamentally the same, but the icing, the decorator, adds new presentation or flavor, which is new functionality like logging, timing, or access control. It follows the pattern. Function A decorates function B. 2. Prerequisites. Nested functions. Decorators rely on two concepts we've already covered: functions inside another function and returning a function. Here, inner_func is defined inside outer_func, and outer_func returns inner_func. Decorators are built upon this exact pattern. The variable f now holds a reference to inner_func. Calling f executes the inner function, demonstrating how a function can be dynamically generated and returned. 3. The decorator mechanism. At a high level, a decorator, let's call it decorator, is simply a function that takes an original_func and returns a decorated_func. This decorated function contains the original function plus the extra logic added by the decorator. The returned function completely replaces the original function reference. To summarize, decorators provide a clean, reusable way to wrap functions and add common functionality without polluting the function itself. Okay, our next lecture 13.09. Decorator that doubles the result of a function. See you there.